Yes. Free Africa run gone long time.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer.
Blessings, manners and prayers.
Okay guys, today we are in Kingston and we are at the Hope Gardens and Zoo, or Hope Zoo and Gardens?
Hope Garden.
Hope
Going
Gardens.
to the zoo.
Going to Hope Zoo. So we're going to see what kind of animals they have there. Guys, I don't know if it's going to be anything like London Zoo, but let's see. So yeah, we're going to take you with us as usual.
Oh, animal them nice, no people. Them friendly. Them
How do you know?
Jamaican animals them are friendly. If you rush them run from you. That's how them stay.
Okay, we'll
so
see.
you see what's going on.
We'll see.
Yeah. And if you go up there and in the animal rushery, they're not Jamaican. No.
Yeah, but most of these animals are not Jamaican anyway. They come from other countries. They're not native to Jamaica.
So
Exactly.
So we have, yes.
Exactly.
Yeah, but we're supposed to have them down to all levels to get to know Jamaican people and deal with us with Jamaican people.
So are you saying that the animals are Jamaicanized now?
Should be, because they're here for quite some time now.
Alright, okay.
Supposed to be fully trained. I think so.
Alright people, let's see. How is it? Straight ahead is good. And there's supposed to be a sign anyway. When's the last time you went to Hope Zoo? But you've been.
Remember?
But you've been.
Yeah, man.
Hope Zoo, next left turn. Next left turn, it says.
So what's it?
Yeah. $200 for the parking. $200 for the parking. You gotta go this way. You can see that though, babe. So guys, we just entered the entrance to Hope Gardens and Zoo, and I just saw a mongoose.
The small one,
a small one, a boy goose, as he said. So to cut to the parking fee is $200. Okay, so if you're interested in coming to Hope Zoo and Gardens, you can come in and park for $200.
Here where you can sit down and chill. What you picking on the pan down?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, nice spot just to come. Yeah, chill out.
See them up, but see the people. Parrot Perch Snack Center. A parrot selling in shop down there, so. Some have some birds selling in shop down there, so parrot.
No, babes. It sells the parrot snacks, and you can feed the birds.
My parrot working over here, people selling in snack shop.
The grounds are really beautiful, I must say. And this is just some of it because it extends on both sides. So this is just a small snippet of what's here.
A big family and friends, people.
Yeah, it's nice. Guys,
That
do
is-
come down.
That is just a small part of the grounds right here.
Yeah, when you get a chance, come down and enjoy.
Book
And
with four
guys,
peeps.
the price is so good. The price is really good. $1,500 for adults and $1,000 for kids aged 2 to 11. So it's good value for money on a nice day out.
Okay, and that.
シートベルトを着用してください。
Go, Hope Zoo. Okay, yes, people. So the activities, you can say. So $1,500 Jamaican for adults, $1,000 for children, age 2 to 11, children under 1 are free. And Mr. Man is paying and doing what he has to do. Doing what he has to do.
Thank you.
Sanitize. She is sanitized. Okay, let's go. Let's start with this. People, see outlaw there?
That's how we're careful in Jamaica. Even the zebra
Look.
that cannot move away from us.
Look, zebra's masked up. Caribbean flamingos from South America's north coast. They lifespan 40 to 50 years. Wow. Oh, they're so pretty.
Like 40, 50, live 40
Yes,
years?
yeah.
I want that 35-year-old. Yeah.
Who told you that?
If you see it, man,
How do you know?
Uniform people until they age. You don't know that?
Mm.
Yeah, same thing with the people. You same thing, neck.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Like you know, same for that.
Whoa. Well, babes.
Thanks. Go there. Go on up and babble about sit down there. So I don't know sit there good enough. You want to go through the
So us people, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Boy. People that scared me, you know.
Another one. Okay. Yeah. Poor people there. What about mom? Ready?
They're used to seeing people, though. They just curl up.
We do so, man. Poor people there. Come over here, so. Sit up on them.
Say this decent, sensible things.
Parrot. You want carrots? Cool no parrot.
Look at this, it's peacock.
Oh, it's in the bottle.
Yeah, look at the peacock right there. Oh.
Yeah, please. Good old bottle.
Look, but they have mango tree though.
What's that? Enough mango there, man.
They have mango tree. Look at mangoes, people. Oh, look at this man. Never wash it nothing, just from the tree in the mouth. Is it ready? What it tastes like?
Mango.
Just pick and eat.
Yeah. That's what it's here for.
We didn't wash it.
Not to watch it. We're just far away.
You hear this, people? Alright, come, let's come out of here. How do we come out of this bit? This ostrich. It's sitting down, right?
Another foot.
Oh my gosh. Look. That one it's coming out. While it's coming out, I have to capture it.
Well, I don't know if right friends for got a nigger.
Let me just get
Through the
this
bush,
one.
you know?
Get this one standing.
That's not running now.
Well. Donkey.
I was just trying to go ride and go around the place, like I was just digging up snow and walking here. Look on this. We're going to talk on the boy. See my donkey?
Okay.
People, you can just talk about donkey and just laugh at me. Watch it. It don't look good. Yeah, here. Well,
Yeah, here. As you can see.
I'm kangaroo.
See him there?
Go there.
We'll try and get a piece. Still lying there, laying down, sleeping. You'll see people just about.
Yo! Roger!
That care in the world. Nothing like being in the wild, is it?
How about Zebby? Pass me, pass me.
Maybe I'll try to.
Yeah, boss, you know.
It's
Yes,
eating.
babe. One zebra we have Jamaica, we take care of him, you know. One beard and no still, but yeah, take care of the water. Yes. Through the African run gone long time. See now. Kanga. What up, Kanga?
Kangaroo.
Look. Where you going to, you know? Because you go like you know one.
They're very...
Ah. There, ma'am, yeah, yellow.
Snake. Ooh.
Two that right, sir.
Is it?
This one head down, this one head down.
Okay, yeah. Oh Lord, look at that one. Jamaican boa. You know that? Jamaican boa, that one's
Come
called.
on, come on, come. The big man, man. That's a big one, man.
Oh gosh. People, look. Look at that. Oh my. Look at that.
See the one that glisten? Light that glisten on it, the low light there. Check.
Sheep, this is lamb.
I want to keep it.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.